Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video we are going to learn about linear search, one of the simplest search algorithm. So linear search is easy to understand and works on both sorted and unsorted data, which makes it a versatile option when you are just starting out with algorithms. So the idea behind linear search is very simple. We check each element in a list one by one until we find a target value. If we find it, we return the index, and if not, we return the indication that is our target is not there. So let's walk through the explanation with an example to see how it works. Here we have an unsorted list and our goal is to find the value 45. So we start at the very first element of the list. We check 5. It's not the number we are looking for, so we move to the next element. Then we check 36. Again, it's not the target number, so we move on to the next one. Similarly, we check each and every element until we find our target value. This time 45 is equal to our target value, so the algorithm will stop here. But if we not find our target till last element, then we can return like target not found. Now let's try this at VS Code. Now let's save and run this. As you can see, our target found at index 7. Let's try to change the target. This time I am giving 36. The correct index should be 1. As you can see, it is correct. If I try to give another value which is not available in the list, it should give -1, that is target not found. Let's try with 6. Since 6 is not available in that list, so it should print like target not found. We are getting correct message, that is target not found. Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video.